Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the status of your Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, so once you have reported your phone as a lost in this page, IMEI.info, you can check the status of it. So in here you need to simply type your IMEI number and then click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we want to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks free, and now we have the lost device check. So that's what we are interested in. In here you need to type your IMEI number, and also if you have, you can enter your serial number. And now simply let's click on this blue button. And now as you can see, this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. And below also you have another information about the phone. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.